To all those video savvies who like easy access to shooting videos while on the go, seek a few basic requirements, the most common of which are quality and portability. The Osmo Pocket handheld Axis 3 gimbal with integrated camera is a likely answer to most of their demands. Other than the amazing quality of its integrated camera, the 3-axis gimbal of this gadget adjusts wonderfully to your movements. This ensures a good cinematic look to your videos. The single-handed design is aimed to make its use a very comfortable one. They call it the sandstone handle, which is sweat-proof and non-slip and offers a comfortable grip. Now, I can't stress enough on the importance of this feature. You can actually connect the device to your smartphone and any other video device with a universal port. What amazes is how small and handy this thing is. The absolutely unbelievable portability of the Osmo Pocket is its highest selling point, as it ensures that you can practically carry it on you all the time. Now, isn't that important for people who like to vlog and capture memories anytime, anywhere? Now, I know what you might be wondering. While it claims to be so effective with its seamless operation and hand handling, does it also have a very great video and picture quality? The simple answer is yes. It can shoot 4K videos of 60 FPS at 100 Mbps and click photos at 12 MP for footage that will almost always look stunning. When bought, the device comes with a carrying case, smartphone adapter, USB-C type, smartphone adapter, lightning category and a power cable. Osmo Pocket is compatible with almost every modern smartphone across all brands. So if you're looking to give your videos and pictures a great cinematic look without having to go through the trouble of either spending too much or learning the tricks, the Osmo Pocket is a very good option for you.